Yeah. We're out here at the Z-Plex, home of the dirtiest burgers in the Metroplex. Let's have some fun.
I think it's a tape kind of day. I play better with tape on. Far's wearing tape, so I'm wearing tape. So you're wearing tape, so I'm wearing tape.
Yeah, I bet it's hot. Hey, what's your name? I'm Caleb. Nice to meet you. Let's go get it, big dog. All right. Oh, yeah. Let's go.
Oh, wait. I was scared I was going to get hit in the dome. Oh, show some range, 30.
Not gonna lie, now I got that song that Coop said, or Coop was singing stuck in my head. You definitely have heard it on TikTok.
Golly, man. It's May and it's hot.
It's getting thick. Yeah. Dude, you need to get you some lights, bro. The lights are incredible. They changed my life. Really? Yeah, bro, I swear, they don't fall off the hat or anything. You don't even need tape. Look at it. It's got this like grippy thing.
Where are you from, man?
Godly.
Godly?
Yeah.
I've heard of that, but I don't know where it is. Is that like Fort Worth area?
It's a little south.
Okay. Good pitch. That boy.
Did y'all lose to in the playoffs?
Y'all won. We lost to Brownsboro.
Oh!
Oh my God! Yeah! It's a great day.
All right.
All right.
You know, just went out there, tried to put a good swing on it, good things happen, you know what I'm saying? There's a kid named Max Burris in my school. He's a freshman, he's like freaking 8'4", bro. Nah, bro, you don't even have an earpiece over here. It's too small. Hey, get it back, good job. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm telling you, it doesn't protect my jaw.
Game time walk, baby. Huh? Dude, Brayden, if you get... Oh, wait, no, I guess this is your...
But still,
Hey,
Brayden, hit right here.
Brayden.
Oh, yeah.
All you gotta do?
I'm just gonna
It's a new pitcher.
break my neck.
Yeah, hey, just go up there and be like, ready to get hit by the pitch.
Bye ball. Bye ball.
Bad baseball.
Where did this come from?
That game right there. And I was in that corner.
That was like cloudy with a chance of meatballs. Just fell from the sky. That's what. It just like appeared in my lap.
What's up, man?
How you doing? Brayden, I didn't know you rocked like double chain like that.
Double chain drip.
How many of y'all got
the
double
choker.
chain? Hey, me and Kay got the same chain on, I'm pretty sure.
Hey, dude, we got a tie game now.
Hey, Sawyer Farr, I don't know why I just referred to myself in third person, but I'm about to tie this game, baby. At least. Or no, I'm about to put us ahead. Let's go. I'm feeling it. If he takes too long to warm up, though, my blue gloves might get a little sweaty.
What flavor is it?
Peanut butter banana. That's actually pretty good. That's amazing.
Oh boy. Holy cow, Brady.
Deep Brass Club Park. I usually buy chocolate chip. I'm gonna start buying those.
That's money.
We go to school.
Aubrey.
Where's Aubrey?
Way up.
So like middle of nowhere? Nah. It's a ways.
Major, what should I do? Tell me what I need to do right here. Be a hitter? Chopstick magic?
Be an Aggie.
Okay, be an Aggie.
Do that. Just actually beat Tanner out.
Hey, I just threw up in my mouth a little bit. Dude, he's my hero. Gosh, bro. Dude, that's so Tanner Allen. That might be the most unfortunate thing of 2023.
Yeah, it's good. Probably. As long as you get dirty burgers, it's fine.
Good thing we're in the Metroplex for it, you know?
Yeah, a lot of dirty burgers. You get a good piece.
Thanks. I kind of felt like Tanner Allen running out of the
Yeah,
box,
the
too.
swing looked like Tanner Allen.
Dude, I'm saying. He's my idol. I love you, Tanner Allen.
You're just like 8 inches taller than him.
Yeah, true. He's about 80 pounds more muscle. Bro, how unfortunate is that?
Ooh. It was almost a car.
He's pulled him.
What's he gonna tell this guy?
The new guy coming in, the guy you just took
What's
out.
he gonna throw you first pitch?
Probably off speed.
Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe you say off speed. First pitch.
Sure.
If you want, watch this guy. But if you want, you know what RJ calls the game,
Yeah.
right? So you're gonna know how he's gonna try to get you out.
Yes, sir.
Where you from, man?
Birdville.
Birdville?
Yeah, north of Dallas.
I got you. I'm from Farmersville. Yeah, it's like east of McKinney.
Hey, shout out my boy Sawyer Farr.
Get us going on, babe.
And I'm commit calling right here, but the double.
Boy.
Yep. There you go. And maybe not a double, but you know, walk. We'll take it. We'll take it. I don't have to kiss. We got those times. No way out of the fastball. No way out of the fastball. What was that, 70?
That was Ray.
Yeah. So lucky. Hit the hit, I guess. We go.
I feel like I'm doing a decent job of entertaining, but I don't know if it's good, you know? Do a backflip. Let's just hit like a double backflip like the Brock Eagles.
Got turf in the fingers. John, what are you doing over there, man? I know you're sweaty. This thing tickles my neck.
I kind of hurt my nose. Ooh. Get my mic up or something? Let's go. Hooray!
All right. You know who Cooper Moore would love? Logan Dale. Him and Logan Dale would be best friends.
Hey, Max Clark up. Feeling some magic.
Let's go!
Damn. That's what I get for making fun of him with the Max Clark bat, bro.
You didn't make fun of Max Clark.
Yeah. And then Brady, he comes up to bat and Brady literally goes, he is Max Clark.
That guy gets dirty burgers.
Brady. Got 3. Texarkana.
We'll bring it back no matter what it takes. I'm gonna put it on your back. We gotta get something to Juan here. Something content wise.
What are we gonna say?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking
Juan
you.
hear us right now?
Yeah, Juan can hear us.
Juan,
The
thumbs
mic-
up if you can hear me. No thumbs up.
Okay, maybe he can't hear us. The mic's on though. The mic's hot. He can definitely hear us.
See? No? It will be getting tropical in the Ville tonight.
Ring the bell.
Good boy.
Had a boy, Cade. Cod. Game ball.
Whatever you